Hi there, it's English file, pre-intermediate level. Lesson 1A, are you, can you, do you, did you? Grammar, word order in questions. Vocabulary, common word, verb phrases, and the alphabet. Number 1. Vocabulary and speaking. Common verb phrases. A. Complete the questions in getting to know you with the verb. This is the questionnaire that you should complete. You have the gaps here. Now you will listen to the audio file. Listen attentively and fill the gaps.
1.2 1. Where are you from? 2.
Where were you born?
3. Where do you live? 4.
Do you live in a house or a flat?
5. Do you have any brothers and sisters? 6.
Do you have any pets?
7. What do you do? 8.
What time do you get up during the week?
9. Where do you usually have lunch? 10.
What time do you usually go to bed?
11. Where did you study English before? 12.
Can you speak any other languages? Which?
13. What kind of music do you listen to? 14.
What TV programs or series do you watch?
15. Do you do any sport or exercise? What? 16.
What kind of books or magazines do you read?
17. How often do you go to the cinema? 18.
What did you do last weekend?
Good. We will check these questions when we have a Zoom conference. We'll do this way. One student will ask the other student and get the answer, and then ask the next student. Мы проверим это упражнение в Zoom-конференции следующим образом. Первый студент спрашивает второго, второй отвечает, спрашивает третьего и так далее. Returning a question. Как будто возвращаете вопрос. When you're having a conversation, you often return questions that is ask somebody the same question that they asked you. You can do this by 1. Saying and you, or what about you? 2. Repeating the question but stressing you. For example, A. Where are you from? I'm from Rome. Where are you from? Когда есть разговор между двумя людьми, правило хорошего тона – это возвращать вопрос. Например, тебя спрашивают, откуда ты? Нужно в ответ спросить, а ты? Да? И на английском это будет and you, what about you? И когда мы возвращаем вопрос, ударное слово будет you. 2. Grammar. Word order in questions. A. Look at the highlighted phrases and questions from 1 to 6. Tick, галочка, tick the three correct questions. Rewrite the incorrect questions. Please do this exercise in a written form. 1. Can you play a musical instrument? That is correct. Tick it. Number 2, where works your father? This is not correct, you should correct it. And etc. Please read attentively, correct the questions and tick the right ones. Now let's go to the grammar bank, lesson 1A, page 126. Grammar bank, word order in questions. Questions with be and can. In questions with the auxiliaries do, does, and did, you might leave out the auxiliary or get the word order wrong. Typical mistakes are: you live with your parents? Why she didn't like the film? Можно пропускать. Типичная ошибка, когда пропускают вспомогательные глаголы do, does and did. То есть спрашивают на русский манер: ты живешь с родителями? Вместо do you live with your parents? Или почему ей не понравился фильм? Why didn't she? То есть порядок слов здесь. The memory aids. Подсказка. ASI или ASI. ASI. Вот она. ASI. Auxiliary subject infinitive. Auxiliary это вспомогательный. Вспомогательный, подлежащее и неопределенная форма. Или question word auxiliary subject infinitive. Если у нас есть вопросительное слово when, where, what, мы используем его, потом используем схему ASI. Auxiliary subject infinitive. In questions with be and can, students sometimes forget to invert the subject and verb. Typical mistakes are: Anna is a student, where I can sit. То есть, когда у нас есть глаголы be and can и can, точно такие же типичные ошибки. Анна студентка, вместо того, чтобы спросить is Anna a student, мы спрашиваем Anna is a student, просто делаем вопросительную интонацию. Where I can sit вместо where can I sit. То есть очень важно порядок слов соблюдать. If a verb is followed by a preposition, for example, talk about, listen to, the preposition goes at the end of the question. What did you talk about? Если глагол идет с предлогом, например, talk about, говорить о чем-то, listen to, слушать что-то, то предлог, он пойдет в конце предложения. Например, what do you talk about? What did you talk about? Let's study the chart attentively. You will listen to the audio files now.
1.4. Are you hungry?
Is there a bank near here?
Can I sit here?
What was that noise?
Where were you born?
Okay, the next chart will be this one.
1.5.
Do you live with your parents?
Did you have a holiday last year?
Where does your sister work?
When did you start studying English?
What did they talk about?
When you listen to the audio files, please try to copy the rhythm. Try to pronounce with the same rhythm as the people and as the voice on the recording. It's very important. Когда вы слушаете аудиозаписи, старайтесь прям копировать ритм и интонацию, да, интонацию, с которой произносят голоса. Let's get back to the page 7, excuse me. Okay, C. Look at the two groups of questions. What are the missing words in the second question? Смотрим на две группы вопросов, и во втором вопросе пропущено. For example, здесь мы ставим do you. Do you drink a lot of tea or coffee? How many cups do you drink a day? Пропущено do you drink. То же самое второе. Do you go to a gym? What gym? Вставляйте, что пропущено. Выполняйте письменно. Please do it in a written form. And past tense. Did you? Did you go to bed late last night? What time did you go to bed? То же самое делайте с did you. Письменно. When we check this exercise in Zoom conference, we'll also give answers. Когда будем проверять это упражнение в конференции в Zoom, мы также будем отвечать на эти вопросы. For instance, do you drink a lot of tea or coffee? Yes, I drink a lot of coffee. Or, and how many cups do you drink a day? 3 or 4. So you will ask each other the questions and answer. Let's switch to 3, pronunciation. I would like to say that it's quite important being able to spell in English your name or email address. That is why you should know how to pronounce each letter. Try to read and pronounce the letters, and then we'll listen to the audio file. The letters of the alphabet are pronounced with different vowel sounds. For instance, S like egg, but C like tree.
One point six.
A, B, C, D,
E, F, G, H,
I, J, K, L,
M, N, O, P,
Q, R, S, T,
U, V, W,
X, Y, Z.
B. Look at the sound pictures. What are the words and vowel sounds? Listen and write the words. The sound A, like train, long E, like tree, schwa, short sound E, egg, diphthong I, bike, diphthong L, telephone, O, telephone, long sound U, boot, and long R, car. Now you're gonna listen and then write the words.
1.7. 1,
Train. A,
2, tree, E, 3,
egg, E,
4, bike, I, 5,
phone, O,
6, boot, oo, 7,
car, R.
Okay, next we should add the following letters to the column and check what words did we get.
1.8. 1,
Train. A, H, J. K.
2. Tree. B. C. D. E. G. P. T. V. 3.
Egg. F. L. M. N. S. X. Z.
4. Bike. I. Y. 5.
Phone. O.
6. Boot. Q. U. W. 7.
Car. R.
Now we will do alphabet quiz. Say alphabet quiz. A, page 102 and B, 108. We are gonna ask and answer the questions. For instance, which country's security service is called the FBI? Let's go to the 102 and do the quiz. Итак, страница 102, Alphabet Quiz. Нужно задавать друг другу вопросы, отвечать и задавать следующий вопрос. For instance, what kind of machine is BMW? Ответ: It's a car. Следующий вопрос задает тот, кто отвечал. What does a DJ do? Ответ: He plays music in a club. И таким образом все 7 пунктов. Okay, next is 4, listening and speaking. A. Listen to extracts from 6 conversations. Write the letters and numbers you hear. Сейчас будет 6 диалогов, и вы должны услышать first name, Wayne, уже есть. Должны услышать во втором диалоге postcode, индекс. В третьем диалоге phone number. The fourth dialogue will be email, write down. The fifth will be surname, and the sixth the address. Be attentive.
1.9. 1. How do you spell your first name?
W-A-Y-N-E.
Just a moment. 2.
What's the postcode?
It's SE21 8GP. 3.
07700 987782.
4.
It's JVINE 64 at kings.co.uk.
Can you repeat that, please?
Yes, JVINE 64 at kings.co.uk.
5. Anne Rathbone. RATHBONE. 6. It's 16 Russell Street. That's RUSSELL. Let me show you on the map.
Okay. Done. B. Now listen to the conversations. Match from 1 to 6. Do the situation from A to F. So there will be conversations, будут диалоги, and here are the situations. И те ситуации, как причина, почему эти диалоги состоялись. Buying something, что-то покупают. Checking into a hotel, это регистрация в отеле, заезд. Trying to get help, пытается найти помощь. Giving a student directions, дают студенту указания. Giving a class some information, студентам классу объясняют информацию какую-то дают. Arriving at a restaurant, приезжают в ресторан. Okay, listen.
1.10. 1.
Good afternoon. How can I help you?
I have a reservation for 5 nights.
What's your name?
Wayne Roberts.
How do you spell your first name?
W-A-Y-N-E.
Just a moment.
2. So, the sofa is £899.99 in total. What's the address for delivery? Is it a London address?
Yes, it's in South London.
What's the postcode?
It's SE21 8GP.
And the address is...
14 Dangerford Road, Flat 2. That's in Forest Hill, London.
3.
Welcome to our mobile phone helpline. Please say the number of the mobile phone you have a problem with.
07700 987782.
4.
Now, every Friday, I'm going to give you some writing to do for homework at the weekend. You can either give it to me in class on Monday, or you can send it to me by email. I'm going to give you my email address, and I'd like you to write it down. Okay? It's jvine64@kings.co.uk.
Can you repeat that, please?
Yes. jvine64@kings.co.uk. Okay, now I'm going to write it on the board for you. Did you get it right?
Yeah.
Well done. Remember, this symbol is called at in English, and this one is dot.
5.
Good evening.
Hi, we have a table booked for 7:30.
Yes, madam. What name, please?
Anne Rathbone. RATHBONE.
Ah, yes, here we are. Can you come this way, please?
6.
Okay, Susanna, that's great. Here's your student card. Your classes start on Monday at 9 a.m. Now, the classes are not here in the main school, but in a different building.
Oh?
But it's very near, just 5 minutes walk from here, in Russell Street. Sorry, what's the address? It's 16 Russell Street. That's RUSSELL. Let me show you on the map. Thank you.
Okay, it's done. C. Interview another student and complete the form. You're going to interview the student when we have a Zoom conference. Student information: first name, surname, address, postcode, email address, and phone number. Okay, be ready. You're going to spell your names, spell your emails, and tell your phone numbers. That's it for now. Thank you for your attention. See you. Bye-bye.